Today, I'd like to introduce AI teammates, intelligent digital team members designed to support different business functions and help teams work more efficiently. AI teammates come with a wide range of pre-built roles across industries, including marketing, IT, operations, manufacturing, professional services, retail, and healthcare. Each role is designed for specific responsibilities, allowing organizations to quickly deploy AI teammates and customize them to fit their own workflows. Let me show you one example. Meet Marco, an AI teammate designed as an executive project advisor, helping teams turn business goals into structured, executable projects while keeping delivery on track. Marco's behavior is configured with detailed instructions that define his role and responsibilities, including project planning, work breakdown structures, timelines, dependency management, and execution support. He only has access to the projects, portfolios, and documents assigned to him, ensuring secure, context-aware recommendations. We also configure his skills for planning, reporting, project analysis, and decision support. Once configured, we can interact with Marco like any other team member, asking questions, assigning work, requesting analysis, or generating reports. Unlike traditional AI assistants, AI teammates can own real work. Here, Marco is assigned to generate a comprehensive RAID report and an interactive HTML dashboard. He understands the objective, creates an execution plan, breaks the work into subtasks, analyzes the RAID logs, builds the report and dashboard, and prepares the final deliverable. After completing the task, Marco summarizes the results, highlights key findings, and delivers everything directly within the task. The dashboard provides an executive overview of project metrics, active issues, high-impact risks, an AI-generated executive summary with recommendations, and a detailed inventory of every RAID item. Project managers receive a clear, shareable report without manual effort, turning project data into actionable insights. AI teammates also work within automations. In this example, whenever a new RAID item is created, Marco is automatically triggered to analyze it and post an AI-generated summary with recommended next steps directly in the task comments.
This is the future of project management. AI teammates that don't just assist, but actively contribute to your team's success.